Good morning, everybody. Happy Monday. Happy Tuesday. The next 2 days, we are going to be working on our JJC registration for dual credit for our Ag 119 class. It is a spring semester class. You do need your social security number, your residential ID number to be able to register. It will be $36 for the course. It's just $12 for each credit hour. And so $36 is definitely about better than the possible multi-$100. So even if you're not going to JJC, this is this is an ag elective class. And just like high school, you guys do need electives for college. So definitely a great idea to make sure that you're registered. And then you do need to make sure that you had maintained a C or better in both of your semesters. So if you have not maintained a C first semester, then you are not eligible. If you feel like you've been struggling to maintain that C, you may not want to register. That's definitely up to you. We will be able to withdraw if for whatever reason you're not able to maintain your C. Today we are going to finish up, or today and tomorrow, we're going to finish up those standard operating procedures. So we went around, we labeled the room, we rearranged the room. It looks great. So now today and tomorrow, we're actually going to go ahead and we're going to write up the protocols or the steps, right? Like almost like a guidebook. So we're writing up our training manual. Okay. So that's what we're going to be working on today, is actually writing up those things. I'm going to put an outline in the kennel portion of our Google Classroom, so you guys can use that as a model for when you're creating your plan. We also have a punch list, or a list of things that need to be completed in the classroom over the next 2 days. So that punch list is going to be the second page of your skills question. And then there'll also be items that'll be listed out on the mobile station or the Black Lab station right at the front of the classroom. So take a look at that. You guys can work together on it and then complete those things. That'll be over the next 2 days. Mrs. Schroeder will be in there with you guys. So if you have questions, feel free to ask. You can email me, but I'm not going to necessarily be available via email. So just ask whoever's in the classroom for your assistance, and then hopefully we'll be able to go from there. We'll be at the Build conference today and tomorrow, so super excited about that. Remember to keep the room better than what you found it in. Take a look at all the things that we've moved, that we're changing, and not even just changing, but really making sure that we're doing properly. So that is that. Have an amazing fall break and get lots of rest and eat lots of good food.